So this is Euro dollar analysis for Tuesday the 20th of February. Now, let's just have a quick look at the Euro dollar. So we had Euro dollar come up towards this 25.55. We saw this pretty strong sell side momentum bringing us below this 24.50 as well as the 125 level. We've come down towards the 400 period moving average. Quite a bit of buy side momentum pretty close by. Had a brief sell through it, and let's just get this right. Had a brief sell through it, and from there, we had a pretty narrow day on Monday. So if we continue to stay above this 400 period moving average, we would be looking for prices to head up towards the 24.50 successful break from which, again, we'll be looking for the 125 level. We may stall at the 125, brief pullback if we do break the 125 and hold on to the 125. I would be expecting price to head up towards that 125.55. Beyond 125.55, I suppose 126 should come into focus, and beyond 126, we are looking for price to head up towards that 126.76. Reason we are looking for potential upside momentum is because in light of the most recent trend being to the upside, even though we've had a bit of a pullback, I still expect possibly for prices to head back upwards. Let's have a brief look at the daily. We'll have a look at daily chart after doing the possible, if we do see that sell side momentum come back into the market. So if, however, we do break down from this where we are at present and below the 400 period moving average, we'll look to see if 23.62 does hold. In around 23.62, we did see prices stall a bit previously, so we may find support at 23.62 for the further upside buying side momentum to come back into the market. If, however, we do fail to hold on to the 23.62, we do have the added confidence of the 200 period moving average increasing the likelihood of holding 23.62 support. But if we fail in doing that, we are looking for price head back down towards that 22.87. Pretty much in around 22.87, we did see buy side momentum after seeing this brief sell side momentum come into the market. Pretty sharp sell side momentum. We saw pretty strong buy side momentum out of the 22.87. I can't anticipate prices moving below 22.87, but if we did, 22.23 would be the level that we are looking at. Now let's have a brief look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here on the euro dollar. So if we head over to the daily time frame, we can see here the most recent trend has been to the upside of a brief pullback. We've come in and put in a bit of a double top here in around 25.55. We have seen this pretty sizable candle now. The US was on a holiday, so that possibly explains this doji. So we'll see how euro dollar performs during the European and US sessions today. But we are operating in the shadow of a pretty sizable bearish candle, so we might see that more sell side momentum come into the market before the buy side resumption. But what might also be the case, depending on the significance of this doji, if we can still operate within the limits, within the range, and we do hold that 400 period support, again, we're looking for prices to move back upwards on the euro dollar in light of the most recent trend, which is to the upside here on the daily chart. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.